హాయ్ అండి, ఇవాంటి సెషన్లో మనం పవర్ క్వాలిటీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఓకే, పవర్ క్వాలిటీలో వచ్చే డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ ఏంటి, ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఎఫెక్ట్ చేస్తాయి పవర్ క్వాలిటీని అనే దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఓకే, మనం కన్జ్యూమర్కి సెండ్ చేసే పవర్ చాలా క్వాలిటీగా ఉంది అని చెప్పడానికి ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉండాలి అని అంటే, వోల్టేజ్ should be constant from supply end to receiving end. Okay, it should maintain the constant magnitude. Okay, and the frequency also, the allowed changes in frequencies plus or minus 5%. Okay, our constant frequency how much? 50 Hz. So they can negotiable when the changes are plus or minus 5%. Okay, and coming to phase difference. Okay, so phase difference ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, if in case it is a 3-phase circuit, okay, అయితే 3-phase supply, each phase should maintain the 120 degrees phase difference. Okay, and there is no spikes and chopped voltages. Okay, so clear గా చెప్పాలంటే, there is no deviation in voltage, there is no deviation in frequency, there is no deviation and difference between the each phases. Okay, so when they are maintaining all these factors, we can say it is the power is we are sending is the good quality. Okay, so how the power quality has been disturbed. Okay, first one వచ్చేసి, when the voltage deviated, means it has a two types. One is the low voltage deviation, another one is the high voltage deviation. Okay, so it is means the low voltage means the rate మనకు వచ్చిన లోడ్ వోల్టేజ్ సప్లై వోల్టేజ్ కంటే కూడా తక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఓకే, రేటెడ్ వాల్యూ కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇట్స్ ఏ లో వోల్టేజ్ డీవియేషన్. ద హై వోల్టేజ్ మీన్స్ ద రేటెడ్ వోల్టేజ్ కంటే హైగా ఉన్నప్పుడు దిస్ ఏ high voltage deviation. And another thing is frequency deviation. Okay, and the same thing, if in case the change in frequency is more than plus or minus 5%, we are considered as it is a frequency deviation. And another thing is voltage spikes, means this spike means it is a very like what, how can we say, because it is a sine wave. Okay, so how the spikes are appeared means it is very short duration, like they are appeared with this rated with a very high amount of the voltage, but the duration is very short. Those are called as a voltage spikes. Okay, and another thing is voltage chopped voltage and cheppochu. Okay, so how they are means, it is, we can say it is our pure sinusoidal wave. The chopped voltage means the voltage has been decreased at one point. So this is how chopping is occurred, this is how spiking occurs. And another thing is power blockage or outage. Sometimes we have the outage of power, it is a short duration, those are not affected much, but it is a long duration, it is very affected. And coming to frequency also, it is in short duration, it is okay, it is a longer duration, the speed and torque of all the things has been reflected. Okay, and coming to another thing is harmonics. These harmonics has been produced or erased when we are using the non-linear loads. Okay, so for that we are using, to suppress this harmonics specially, we are using the SMPS. Okay, switched mode power supply. This is the one electronic circuit we are using to reduce the harmonics. These are the disturbances we are facing while we are maintaining the power quality. Okay, okay, this is all about the today's session. We are talking about the power quality factors and the disturbances and deviations in power quality. Okay, so in next session we'll discuss about the how we are suppressing these deviations in a power quality, how we are maintaining the power quality అనేసి అన్ని కూడా చూద్దాం. Okay, this is all about today. So thank you.